Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to log into your Play Store account. To log into your Play Store account, let's go to Settings and, for example, go to Customize Menus, Apps menu and go to Play Store. Now, sign in. Scan QR code located in the right side of the screen. Enter it. Continue on your smartphone. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.